stuck with the wdfcoinstaller DLL failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. Before we start the wdfcoinstaller configuration, consider using the diagnostic resource below to maintain a clean system state. This is the wdfcoinstaller, the Windows driver framework wdfcoinstaller. It provides unmanaged routines for orchestrating driver updates, facilitating the hardware manifest for localized device data links. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. This is a critical Windows system integrity issue. You should run the system file checker by opening command prompt as an administrator and executing sfc/scan now, allowing Windows to automatically repair core architecture files like wdfcoinstaller DLL. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the wdfcoinstaller file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. If the graphics library is still causing trouble, we will move on to a clean driver installation, and you must run display driver uninstaller, known as DDU, to remove every trace of your current display software. Reinstalling the official driver package from the hardware manufacturer after a full wipe is the most reliable way to fix a corrupted DLL reference. Why are we doing this? Well, driver files are frequently locked by active processes, and using an uninstaller in safe mode is the only way to ensure the old binaries are fully replaced by new ones. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Don't let a small error become a total system rebuild by trying to force install wdfcoinstaller DLL into directories where it doesn't belong. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. For structured configuration management, the optimization software referenced below includes wdfcoinstaller-related documentation. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching wdfcoinstaller today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.